Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an error saying that an error occurred while troubleshooting. And this could come up in really any modern version of the Windows operating system. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. So we're going to jump into it by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. And you want to type in Services. Best match should come back with Services. Just want to left click on that one time to open up a services window here. And the first thing you want to do is look for background intelligent transfer service right here. Double click on it. Underneath startup type, you want to click inside this drop down menu, select automatic, and if server status is stopped, you want to left click on start and then left click on apply and OK. Next thing you want to do is go down to the cryptographic service. So I'm going to scroll down here, or cryptographic services. So I'm going to double click on that. Again, startup type, set that to automatic, start the service, and then left click on apply and OK. And now you want to go down to Windows Update, so just scroll down here, right here, double click on that. Startup type, set that to automatic, and if server status is stopped, once again, you want to start it. Left click on apply and OK. And now at this point I would suggest restarting your computer. Hopefully that did resolve the issue. So we close out of here. And there would be one more thing I would suggest, and that would be to open up the start menu. Again, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly it appears on my screen. Again, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS is all one word attached to that /. Then you want to hit enter. It should say successfully flushed DNS resolver cache. And then I'd also suggest typing in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, exactly it appears on my screen. Then you want to hit enter. Would suggest restarting your computer at this point, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.